it, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening, bitch? What's happening, bitch? I'm a savage.
Hey y'all, so I'm coming to y'all with a new video because it's very long overdue. I miss talking to y'all, and what y'all see me doing is just pressing out my roots to my wig. And this is my tropical wave hair, my 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. If you want to purchase this hair, I'll leave all the instructions in the description box below. And you just see me use my Erica J holding spray to, spray the roots so I could get all the flyaways down. And now I'm just putting on my wig and I'm just sizing it up to make sure, it's even and it fits properly on my head, because I did have problems where I had small wigs, and this was one of those wigs. I told my vendor to give me a medium cap instead of a large cap. So as you can see, I had to cut little incisions on the side of my frontal so I can stretch my frontal down a little bit more, because my wigs do come glueless. So you would not have to always use glue. And this is one of those wigs where it was glueless and I had to cut because it was too tight on my head. And now I'm just making sure my incisions was precise, and as y'all can see, they laying properly. So yeah, now I'm gonna take my comb. I'm gonna find my middle part. Sorry for my coughing, but I'm gonna take my comb, find my middle part, and I'm gonna part my hair down the middle, and I'm gonna start pressing those roots out in the middle.
I'm still the same nigga. I still but catch a stain, nigga. Still walking through puddles full of pain, nigga.
Now you're gonna see me take my scissors and I'm gonna cut the extra lace from by my ears off, and then I'm gonna take my wig back off and I'm gonna cut the axis lace, which is the extra lace in the front of the wig. When when the wigs are new, it comes with the extra lace. I'm gonna cut that off with my scissors. I prefer you to use eyebrow razor because it gives you more of a jagged edge, but I didn't have one at the time, so I just used my scissors and called it a day. And we're gonna just cut all of that lace off, and we're gonna put the wig back on our heads. Okay, so I got the wig on and I'm placing it back into the position I needed it to be in. And as y'all can see, y'all, I'm hype as fuck because this lace was bomb.com. Okay, bomb, like too bomb. And I'm not even just saying that because it's my hairline, but it's definitely bomb. Like, I would definitely tell y'all to go cop up because it's very good. And now I'm just using my Erica J watermelon lace adhesive, and I'm just applying 3 layers. You're gonna see me place my first layer, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm only gonna place it from temple to temple because I usually work in sections. I work from temple to temple and then from temple to ear tab, if that makes any sense. And yes, you're gonna use your blow dryer because I don't have time to be sitting there waiting for that glue to be drying. It dry fast, but the blow dryer make it dry faster, so why not?
Just hold it down, do not switch. My ride or die, bitch. It's DTB, no, I don't trust bitches. And I don't mean it disrespect, cause you know I love women. And girl, I know we got problems, but I hate the scars and I'm in fraud. Fuck with your girl, then I fuck with you this time. This time I wanna make love to you, don't you? Switch sides, baby, I ain't down with you. Just help me get by these.
Alright, so this is my 3rd layer, and as y'all can see, I'm just applying it. And I'm also applying that very close to my cap. And I'm placing more of the glue on my cap, just a tad bit over my cap. And I learned that trick from Erica J, and it works perfectly fine for me. And then what you're going to see me do now is just place my lace on top of that glue. And do not worry, you're going to see that some glue didn't get, all over the area I needed to go. But we're going to go back and we're going to fix that. And yeah. And then what you see me doing is putting the lace into the glue. Like, I'm not pushing it hard, but I'm just like firmly, not too firm, but just a slight little nudge into the glue so it won't move. And then you're gonna see me make sure it's still in place to where I need it to be at, and it didn't like slide over a little bit or nothing like that. And as y'all can see, it melted right in, right on in. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do a little tug test. Yeah, that's how you know when you place the glue properly. Okay, so I lost a whole lot of footage, y'all, and I lost the footage where I was placing my air tabs down. But right here, I'm just blow drying the hair that I took out for my baby hairs, and I'm just putting a little bit more heat onto that glue so it can melt a little bit more. And I'm gonna take out my elastic band, and I'm gonna start placing my elastic band. Okay, so I let the elastic band sit for 10 minutes, and then now I'm taking it off, and voila. Do y'all see that? That is melted straight into my skin. Like, that's my hair. That's mine. It's all me. Tuh. And then what I'm doing right here is I'm just fixing those little adjustable straps that comes with the factory made wigs in the back of the wig. I was just adjusting those. And now it's time for the baby hairs, honey. Yes. Okay, so I feel like this is very crucial. You're going to use your scissors, your edge brush, and your She's Bomb Goo, okay? She's Bomb Goo. That's what I use on my edges. And it is the go. Like, I'm going to show y'all, literally, get that. You see? Get that. I left it there so I can screenshot it, right? So I'm going to just brush up my baby hairs, and I'm going to cut them to where my eyebrow is, as you can see right there. Yeah, cut it to your eyebrows. And I do it like this because I never want to cut too much off and then I can't take it back. So I just cut that long, and then when I start swooping, if I need to, I'll cut some more off. But then if I don't, at least I know I'm satisfied with the way my baby hairs look.
But I'm the reason you are this way. You used to fuck a lot, you don't even fuck the same. Who you putting on that makeup and lingerie for? It's something that I wanna say. Baby, if you give it to me, I'ma give it to you. Cause I know what you want, yeah, you wanna be in. Up in my double auto on the stars in the sky, yeah, with Louis Vuitton. Just hold it down, can you be my ride or die, bitch? I take care of everything and pay the bills for you. And don't you ever fucking ask me about no side bitch. And everything I say I do for you, I will for you. I be the reason why it's hermits in your closet. Usually I don't be checking, but I will for you. Tell me something I don't know, baby, I'm not shit. Look, I've been bugging lately, I've been feeling heartless. You think I changed, nigga? I'm still the same nigga. I still would catch a stain, nigga. Still walking through puddles full of pain, nigga. I'm A-boogie with the hoodie and a chain, nigga. With a guitar now, nigga, I'm a lane switcher. In a good car now, literally a lane switcher. Take up your guitar now, girl, let's get naked, yeah. I swear, me and you naked. I swear, I wanna taste it. And if I say I care, then I care. I don't just say shit, I still get nervous in conversations. With you, got me stuttering when I say shit. Like, can I take you on a vacation? And I will spin the block, cause you're my baby. I would hate to lose my love for an acquaintance. My ride or die, bitch. Just hold it down, no matter what, do not switch. Yeah, nah, girl. You the type I ride with. Yeah, try for me, never doubt you. My ride or die, bitch. I would never say shit. You're my favorite. I swear, I can picture us naked. I swear, I wanna taste it. And if I say I care, then I care. I don't just say shit, baby. Let's get naked. You ain't gotta worry about shit. Just be my ride or die, bitch. Yeah, nah, girl. You the type I vibe with. Yeah, just hold it down, do not switch. My ride or die, bitch. It's DTB, no, I don't trust bitches. And I don't mean it disrespect, cause you know I love women. And girl, I know we got problems, but I hate discussing them if I fuck with your girl, then I fuck with you this time. This time I wanna make love to you, don't you? Switch sides, baby, I ain't done with you. Just help me get by these trust issues, I swear, I feel uncomfortable, crazy. Used to call you my baby, now I'm a dub to you. Used to pull up on you with flowers, showed you my love for you. And you know we both from the bottom, so I ain't judging you. Yeah, I ain't judging you, but I'm the reason you are this way. You used to fuck a lot, you didn't even fuck the same. Who you putting on that makeup and lingerie for? It's something that I wanna say. Baby, if you give it to me, I'ma give it to you. Cause I know what you want, yeah, you wanna be in. Up in my double auto on the stars in the sky, yeah, with Louis Vuitton. Just hold it down, can you be my ride or die, bitch? I take care of everything and pay the bills for you. And don't you ever fucking ask me about no side bitch. And everything you say I do for you, I will for you. I be the reason why it's Hermes in your closet. Usually I don't be checking, but I will for you. Tell me something I don't know, baby, I'm not shit. Look, I've been bugging lately, I've been feeling heartless, huh? You think I changed, nigga? Huh? I'm still the same, nigga. I still would catch a stain, nigga. Still walking through puddles full of pain, nigga. I'm a boogie with a hoodie and a chain, nigga. With a guitar now, nigga, I'm a lane switcher. In a good car now, literally a lane switcher. Take up your guitar now, girl, let's get naked, yeah. I swear, me and you naked. I swear, I wanna taste it. And if I say I care, then I care. I don't just say shit, I still get nervous in conversations with you. Got me stuttering when I say shit like, can I take you on a vacation? And I will spin the block, cause you're my baby. I would hate to lose my love for an acquaintance. My ride or die, bitch. And when you leave, I can still just hold it down, no matter what, do not switch. Yeah, nah, girl. You the type I vibe with.
Okay, so right here, you're going to see me grab my elastic band, and I'm going to place my elastic band over my baby hairs. And it's just to make sure that my lace, is still getting pushed in, because on the back of the glue, it says that it takes 24 hours for the lace glue to cure. So you want to just really wrap your lace down as much as possible for the first 24 hours so you can ensure security. And then I'm just going to start styling my hair. You're going to see me use my argan oil foam mousse, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to try to define those curls a little bit. And y'all probably see my little sister. And yeah, I'm just going to press out my roots a little bit more. Start styling the hair. I was going to do a ponytail, y'all. But if I could insert those clips, y'all going to be like, what the fuck? What's going on? So I just wanted to do a little bust down middle, because you can never go wrong with a middle part. Middle parts is just, is it. So yeah.
Just hold it down, do not switch. My ride or die, bitch. It's DTB, no, I don't trust bitches. And I don't mean it disrespect, cause you know I love women. And girl, I know we got problems, but I hate discussing them if I fuck with your girl, then I fuck with you this time. This time I wanna make love to you, don't you? Switch sides, baby, I ain't done with you. Just help me get by these trust issues, I swear, I feel uncomfortable, crazy. Used to call you my baby, now I'm a dub to you. Used to pull up on you with flowers, showed you my love for you. And you know we both from the bottom, so I ain't judging you. Yeah, I ain't judging you. But I'm the reason you are this way. I used to fuck a lot, you don't even fuck the same. Who you putting on that makeup and lingerie for? It's something that I wanna say. Baby, if you give it to me, I'ma give it to you. Cause I know what you want, yeah, you wanna be in. Up in my double auto on the stars in the sky, yeah, with Louis Vuitton. Just hold it down, can you be my ride or die, bitch? I take care of everything and pay the bills for you. And don't you ever fucking ask me about no side bitch. And everything you say I do for you, I will for you. I be the reason why it's hermits in your closet. Usually I don't be checking, but I will for you. Tell me something I don't know, baby, I'm not shit. Look, I've been bugging lately, I've been feeling heartless, huh? You think I changed, nigga? Huh? I'm still the same, nigga. I still would catch a stain, nigga. Still walking through puddles full of pain, nigga. I'm A boogie with the hoodie and a chain, nigga. With a guitar now, nigga, I'm a lane switcher. In a good car now, literally a lane switcher. Take up your guitar now, girl, let's get naked, yeah. I swear, me and you naked. I swear, I wanna taste it. And if I say I care, then I care. I don't just say shit. I still get nervous in conversations with you. Got me stuttering when I say shit like, can I take you on a vacation? And I will spin the block, cause you're my baby. I would hate to lose my love for an equation.